Point number two, be authentic. Be your authentic self. I'm not saying keeping it real. I'm not, that's not what I'm saying because I know sometimes people get that. What I mean is when you are interacting with new contacts, share your true interests and your goals. Like me, I'm being transparent with you when I told you about the magnetic school. Yes, it's going to be for free, but there's going to be certain aspects that are paid. I do have a ulterior motive. That meaning is that I want to help people that are looking to either transition into project management or that are already new project managers but just want some more consultation in how they can become better and finding their own aha moment. But getting back to being authentic, being your authentic self, family. I mean, just being who you are. If you're, and like I always share with you what my mom or grandma has shared to me before is, there's a time and place for everything. So being your authentic self is being, if you are in a professional setting, you need to be professional. If you're in a more of a laid back setting and is not that type of environment, then yeah, of course. But again, family, being authentic is going to take you further than anything that I can imagine when it comes to this. Point number three, offer genuine support.